Good morning. I am S. Shankar, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Bhimgal, District Nizamabad, State Telangana. Today, my topic is on enzymes. Introduction: General characteristics of enzymes, catalytic efficiency and specificity, enzyme nomenclature, EC system, enzyme nomenclature examples, enzyme activation energy, enzyme cofactors, the mechanism of enzyme actions, lock and key theory, enzyme action include fit theory, enzyme activity temperature and pH, irreversibles inhibition and Michaelis-Menten kinetics. Today my topic: the general characteristics of enzymes. The catalytic behavior of proteins acting as enzymes is one of the most important functions that they perform in living cells. Without catalytics, most cellular reactions will take place too slowly to support life. Without catalytics, most cellular reactions would take place too slowly to support life. With the expansion of some RNA molecule, all enzymes are globular proteins. With the expansion of some RNA molecule, all enzymes are globular proteins. Enzymes are extremely efficient catalytics, and some can increase reaction rate by 10 to the power of 20 times that of the uncatalyzed reaction. Enzymes are will substitute to their rules in three major ways. They have enormous catalytic power. They are highly specific in the reaction. The catalytic and their activity as catalytics can be regulated. Catalytic efficiency. Catalytics increase the rate of chemical reaction without being used up in the process. Although catalytics participates in the reaction, they are not permanently changed and may be used over enzymes act like many other catalytics by lowering the activation energy of reaction, allowing it to achieve equilibrium more rapidly. Enzymes act like many other catalytics by lowering the activation energy of reaction, allowing it to achieve equilibrium more rapidly. Specificity. Enzymes are often very specific in the type of reaction they catalyze and even the particular substance that will be involved in the reaction. Strong acid catalyzed by the hydrolysis of any amide or ester and the dehydration of any alcohol. The enzymes urease catalyzed the hydrolysis of a single amide urea. Formula: H2N C11O NH2 plus H2O urease CO2 plus 2NH3. A strong acid catalyzed the hydrolysis of any amide or ester and the dehydration of any alcohol. The enzymes urease catalyzed the hydrolysis of a single amide urea. Specificity. The enzyme with absolute specificity catalyze the reaction of one and only one substance. And enzymes with relative specificity catalyze the reaction of structurally related substance. Lipase hydrolyze lipids, protease split of proteins and phosphatase hydrolase phosphatase esters. An enzyme with chemical specificity catalyze the reaction of only one of two possible enantiomers. D amino acid oxidase catalyzed the reaction of D amino acid but not L amino acid. An enzyme stereochemical specificity catalyzed the reaction of only one of two possible enantiomers. D amino acid oxidase catalyzed the reaction of D amino acid but not L amino acids. Enzyme nomenclature EC system. Some of the earliest enzymes to be discovered were given names ending in into indicate that they were proteins. Digestive enzymes pepsin, trypsin, chymotrypsin. Some of the earliest enzymes to be discovered were given names ending in into the indicate that they were proteins. The digestive enzymes pepsins, trypsins, chymotrypsins. Because of the larger number of enzymes that are known now, a synthetic nomenclature is called the Enzymes Commission's EC. System is used to name them International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. Enzymes are grouped into 6 major classes on the basic of the reaction which the catalyze. All EC names end in as. Oxidoreductase oxidation reduction reactions. Next one is transferase. Transferase of functional groups. Transferase of functional groups. Hydrolysis reactions. Lyase. Addition to double bond or the reverse of the reactions. Lysis. Addition to double bond or the reverse of the reaction. Isomers. Isomerization action reaction. Formation of ligase. Formation of bonds with ATP cleavage. Group name, group code EC1, EC2, EC3, EC4, EC5, EC6. Group name, type of reaction catalyzed. EC1 oxidoreductase oxidation reduction reaction. EC2 transferase transfer of functional group. EC3 hydrolysis reaction. EC4 lyase additional double bond or the reverse of the reaction. EC5 isomerization reaction. EC6 ligase formation of bonds with ATP cleavage. Enzyme nomenclatures. Enzymes are also assigned common names derived by adding as to the name of the substrate or to a combination of substrate named and type of reaction. IEC name urea amido hydrolase. Substrate urea, functional group amide, type of reaction hydrolysis. Common name urease is equal to urea. Enzymes are also assigned common name derived by adding as to the name of the substrate or to combination of substrate named and type of reaction. IEC name urea Amido hydrolase substrate urea functional group amido type of reaction hydrolysis common name urea plus Ase is equal to urease. Enzyme nomenclatures examples. Enzymes are also assigned common names derived by adding also as to the name of the substrate or to a combination of substrate named and type of reaction. IEC name alcohol dehydrogenase substrate alcohol ethyl alcohol. Type of reaction dehydrogenation remove of hydrogen. Common name alcohol dehydrogenation plus is alcohol dehydrogenase. Enzymes nomenclatures examples. Enzyme nomenclatures example quiz. Match the following general enzymes and enzymes name and the reactions that they catalyze. Enzymes and reaction catalyzed. Decarboxylase formation of ester linkages. Phosphatase removal of carboxyl group from compounds. Removal of carboxyl group from compounds. Peptidase hydrolysis of peptides linkage. Hydrolysis of peptide linkage. Esterase hydrolysis of phosphatase esters linkage. Esterase hydrolysis of phosphate ester linkage. Decarboxylase formation of ester linkage. Phosphate removal of carboxyl groups from compounds. Peptidase hydrolysis of peptide linkage. Esterase hydrolysis of phosphate ester linkages. Enzyme activity energy. All chemical reactions require some energy input to begin. The amount of energy needed before a reaction will proceed on its own is called activation energy. All chemical reaction requires some energy input to begin. The amount of energy needed to before a reaction will proceed on its own is called activation energy. Energy is needed to break existing bonds before new bonds can be formed. The formation of new bonds may release more energy than what was needed to break the original bonds. Enzymes lower the barriers that normally prevent chemical reaction from occurring by decreasing the required activation energy. This is where the addition of a enzymes allows a reaction to proceed at a much faster rate. Enzymes lower the barriers that normally prevent chemical reaction from occurring by decreasing the required activation of energy. This is where the addition of an enzymes allows a reaction to proceed at a much faster rate. Enzyme cofactor. Conjugated proteins functions is only in the presence of specific non-protein molecular or metal ions is called prosthetic groups. Conjugated proteins functions only in the presence of specific non-protein molecular or metal ions called prosthetic group. If the non-protein component is tightly bound and from an integral part of the enzyme structure, it is a true prosthetic group. If the non-protein compound is tightly bound and from as integral part of the enzyme's structures, it is a true prosthetic group. If the non-protein component is weakly bound and easily separated from the rest of the protein is called a factor. In the non-protein components is weakly bound and easily separated from the rest of protein, it is called as a cofactor. When the cofactor is organic substance It is a coenzyme. The cofactor may also be an inorganic ion, usually metal cation such as magnesium 2 plus, zinc 2 plus, or ferrous. The protein portion is called apoenzyme. The protein portion is called apoenzyme. Coenzyme. Apoenzyme protein portion inactive coenzyme cofactor non-protein protein activator haloenzyme whole enzyme activated substrate. When the cofactor is a organic substance, it is coenzyme. The cofactor may also be inorganized in ion, usually is metal cation such as magnesium and zinc ferrous. The protein portion is called apoenzyme. The mechanism of enzyme actions. Enzyme differs widely in structure and specificity, but a general theory that accounts for their catalytic behavior is widely accepted. Enzyme differs widely in structure and specificity, but a general theory that accounts for their catalytic behavior is widely accepted. The enzymes and its substrate interact only over a small region of the surface of the enzyme is called the active site. The enzyme and its substrate interact only over a small region of surface of the enzymes is called the active site. When the substrate binds to the active site via some combination of intramolecular forces and an enzyme substrate complex is formed. Once the complex forms of that conversion of the substrate to produced P take place. When the substrate binds to the activated site via some combination of intramolecular forces, an enzyme substrate complex is formed. Once the complex form the conversion of the substrates S to produced P take place. Enzymes E plus S substrate is called enzyme substrate complex. E is equal to enzyme, P is equal to product. Enzyme action. Sucrose enzyme, sucrose substrate, sucrase complex. Sucrase enzyme plus sucrose substrate, sucrose complex gives sucrase enzyme plus glucose plus fructose product. The chemical transformation of the substrate occurs at the active site aided by functional group on the enzyme that participate in the making and breaking of chemical bonds. The chemical transformation of substrate occurs at the active site aided by functional group on the enzymes that participate in the making and breaking of chemical bonds. After the conversion is complex, the product is released from the active site, leaving the enzyme free to react with another substrate molecule. Enzyme activation lock and key theory. The lock and key theory explain the high specificity of enzyme activity. The lock and key theory explain the high specificity of enzyme activity. The enzyme activity active sites is complementary in the conformation to the substrate, so that enzyme and substrate recognized on another active site as a reside shape. Enzymes only bind substrate that exactly fit the active site. Enzyme is along to lock. Substrate is the key that first the lock. purposed a German chemist email pictures in 1894. The lock and key theory explains the high specificity of enzymes activity. The enzyme activity sites is complementary in conformation to the substrate, so that enzyme and substrate recognize one another. Active site has a rigid shape. Enzymes only bind substrate that exactly fit the active site. Enzyme is analogous a lock substrate is the key the first and lock that lock. Enzyme action induced fit theory. Induced fit theory purpose the enzymes have flexible conformation that may adapt to incoming substrate. Substrate enzyme substrate complex fully active enzymes conformation transition state structures proposed by Daniel Koshland in 1894. The enzyme changes shape on binding substrate so that the combination of substrate and enzyme is only complementary after binding. The enzyme changes shape on binding substrate so that the conformation of substrate and enzyme is only complementary after binding. Enzyme structure is flexible, not rigid. Enzymes and substrate adjust the shape of the active site to bind substrate. The range of substrate specificity increases. The shape changes improve catalysis during reaction. Enzyme structure is flexible, not rigid. Enzyme and substrate adjust to the shape of the active site to bind substrate. The range of substrate specificity increases. Shape changes improve catalysis during reaction. Enzyme activity. Enzyme activity refers to the catalytic ability of an enzyme to increase that rate of reaction. The turnover numbers also turned cat cat is defined as the maximum number of chemical conversion of substrate molecule per second that a single catalytic site will execute for a given enzyme concentration. It can be calculated from the maximum reactions Vmax and catalytic site conversion ET as follows: K cat is equal to Vmax by ET for carbonic anhydrase as turnover number of 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs, which means that each carbon anhydrase molecule can produce to 6 lakhs molecule of product bicarbonate ions per second. Enzyme activity. Enzyme assay are experiment that the performed to measure enzyme activity. Assays are often done by monitoring the rate at which has characteristics color of a product from the or the color of substrate decreases enzyme hydrolysis for reaction involving H plus ion. The rate of change in pH over time can be used acid hydrolysis. Enzyme activity levels are reported in terms enzymes international units, which depends enzymes actively as the amount of enzymes that will convert to specified amount of substrate to a produced within a certain time. One standard international units is the quantity of enzymes that catalyze the conversion of one molecule 1 mole of substrate per minute under specified conditions. Unlike the turnover number, international units measures how much enzymes is present. One standard international union units is the quantity of enzymes the catalyzes the conversion of one molecule of substrate for a minute under specified conditions. Unlike the turnover number, international units measure how much enzyme is present. Factor affecting enzyme activity, enzyme concentration. The concentration of in enzymes is typically low compressed to the that of the substrate, increasing also increase that the rate of the reaction. E is equal enzyme, S is equal E plus S, enzyme substrate complex. The concentration of enzymes is E is equal typically low compared to that of the substrate, increasing also increase the rate of the reaction. The concentration of enzymes is typically low compared to that of substrate, increasing also increase the rate of the reaction. Enzyme concentration rate. Factor affecting enzyme activity. Substrate concentration. The concentration of substrate also affect the rate of the reaction. Increase the rate of reaction, but eventually the rate of reaches a maximum and remains constant after that the maximum rate is reached, which the enzymes is started with substrate and cannot react to any factors under those conditions. Factor affecting enzyme activity, temperature. Like all reaction, the rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction increased with temperatures because enzymes are proteins. Beyond a certain temperature, the enzymes denatures. Every enzyme's catalyzed reaction has an optimum temperature at which the enzyme's activity is highest useful, usually from 25 degrees to 40 degrees centigrade. Above or below that value, the rate is lower. Every enzyme catalyzed reaction has an optimum temperature at which the enzyme's activity is highest, usually from 25 degrees to 45 degrees centigrade. Above or below that value, the rate is lower. Factor affecting enzyme activity. Effect of pH. Rising or lowering the pH influence the acid and basic side chain in enzyme. Many enzymes are also denatured by pH extremes. Pickling in acetic acid, vinegar preserves food by deactivating bacterial enzymes. Many enzymes have a optimum pH where activity is highest near a pH 7, but some operate better a low pH pepsin in the stomach. Enzyme inhibition. Irreversible inhibition. Cytochrome oxidase, cyanide ion stable complex. Cell respiration stops and death occurs within minutes. Antidote for cyanide poisoning is sodium thiosulfate, which convert to cyanide into thiocyanate, which does not bind to cytochrome. Cyanide plus thiosulfate ion gives less to thiocyanate ion plus sulfate ion. Enzyme inhibition. Heavy metal poisoning result when mercury or lead ions bind to SH group on enzyme. Heavy metals can also cause protein denaturation. Lead and mercury can cause permanent neurological damage. Heavy metal poisoning result when mercury or lead ion bind to such SH group on enzymes. Heavy metals can also use protein denaturation. Lead and mercury can use permanent neurological damage. Heavy metal poisoning is treated by administering chelating against which bind tightly to metal ions, allowing them to be excreted in the urine. Enzyme inhibition. Antibiotics are enzymes inhibitor. Antibiotics are enzymes inhibitor that act on life processes that are essential to certain strains of bacteria. Example: penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming, 1928, Nobel Prize in 1945. Interfere with transpeptidase which bacteria use in the construction of cell walls. Michael-Menten kinetics. The Michaelis-Menten model is one of the simplest and best known approach to enzyme kinetics. It takes the form from a equation relating reactions velocity to substrate construction for a system where a substrate S binds reversibly and an enzyme E2 from enzyme substrate complex ES, which then active irreversibly to generate a produce P to regenerate the free enzyme E. Enzyme plus substrate, gives less enzyme plus product. Michaelis-Menten kinetics. The rate of the forward reactions from E plus S to ES may be termed K1 and the reverse reaction as K minus 1. Likewise, for the reaction from the ES complex to E and P, where the forward reaction rate of E2 minus K2 minus. For the model of let be the initial velocity of the reaction VO is equal to K2 ES. The problem is that we cannot determine the value of ES as it for formed during the reaction, but under state assumption it is considered to have a very low concentration that does not change because the rate of its formation is equal to the rate of its breakdown. Michaelis-Menten kinetics. ES being formed and consumed at the smart rate during the phase. The rate of formation of ES and second order kinetic step equals is rate of the consumption the two first order kinetic steps. Therefore, according model rate of formation of rate of consumption. Rate of formation of ES is equal to K1 ES. Rate of consumption of ES is equal to K minus 1 ES plus K2 ES. Steady state K K1 ES is equal to K minus 1 ES plus K2 ES. But we also do not know which is the concentration of free enzymes because some of the enzyme is bound. We know that the total enzyme concentration is the sum of the free and bound enzymes. The maximum velocity Vmax occurs then when the enzyme is saturated is when all enzymes molecules are typed up with or ES is equal to ET. Thus Vmax is equal to K cat ET. Substitute 12 in 11 we get V0 is equal to Vmax by Km plus S Vmax S. The equation process the initial rate of reaction is termed a measurable quantity the initial substrate concentration. The two kinetic parameters Vmax and Km will be different for every enzyme substrate pair. Equation is called Michael-Menten's equation. Enzyme inhibition, reversible inhibition. Reversible inhibition binds reversibly to enzymes, establish an equilibrium between the bound and bound inhibitor. Once the inhibitor combines with the enzymes, the active sites are blocked and no further catalysis take place. The inhibitor can be removed from the enzymes by shifting the equilibrium. There are two types of reversible inhibitor, competitive and non-competitive. Enzyme inhibition competitive. A competitive inhibitor competes with the substrate for the active site of the enzymes. They often have structures that are similar to those of the normal substrate. Equilibrium E plus S is equal to ES. Equilibrium E plus inhibitor enzyme inhibitor complex. Competitive inhibition can be reversed by either increasing the concentration of the substrate or decreasing the concentration of the enzymes in according with E catalyzer principles. Inhibition. Sulfur drugs such as sulfonylamide are similar in structures to forminobenzoic acid, which bacteria need to bleed folic acid in order to grow. Sulfonamide blocks PABA from fitting into the active site of enzymes which fluid folic acid, causing the bacteria to eventually die. Since humans obtain folic acid from their diet rather than by manipulating it is not harmful to the patient. Enzyme inhibition non-competitive. Non-competitive inhibitor bind reversibly to enzyme has a site other than the active site, changing the 3D shape of the enzyme and the active site so that the normal substrate no longer first correctly. An inhibitor react with the enzyme substrate complex and slow the rate of reaction to from the enzyme producer complex. This means the increasing the concentration of substrate will not relieve in the inhibition signs in inhibitor react with the enzyme substrate complex. Enzyme regulation. Enzymes work together facilitate all the biochemical reaction needed for a living organism to respond to change condition and cellular needs. Enzyme activity requires very sensitive controls. Activation of zymogens, allosteric regulation, genetic control. Enzyme regulation, genetic control. The synthesis of all proteins and enzymes is under genetically controlled by nucleic acid, increasing the number of enzymes molecule present through genetic mechanism in one way to increase production of needed product. Enzymes inductions occurs when the enzymes are synthesized in response to cell need. This kind of genetic control allows an organism to adapt to environment change. The coupling of genetic control and allosteric regulation allows from very tight controls of cellular process. Medical application of enzymes. Each type of tissues has distinct pattern of isoenzyme percentages. Serum level of LDH can be used in the diagnosis of wide range of diseases such as anemiasis involving the rupture of red blood cells, acute liver diseases, congestive heart failure, and muscular disease such as muscular dystrophy. Elevated levels of LDH1 and LDH2 indicated myocardial infarction. Elevated levels of LDH5 indicate possible liver damage. Thank you.